Ken Craftaholic, and today I've got another unboxing video for you from Scrapping Fun Kits. So this is the kit for May, and as you can see it's a nice orangey pink vibe to it this month. So let's start with the papers actually, and you can see here these are the 7x5s, single-sided but really quite thick, good quality. That's a nice one with a pattern on the bottom. So we've got 4 of those sheets, which would be more than enough to use some alphas, and I always love alphas. And some ribbon, which again go in the little dotty theme with the orange. A couple of little flower poses in the colours, and then this gorgeous little love heart as well. I don't know if that's been handmade or not, but it looks beautiful with all those different layers. Nice piece of twine, and my favourite, sequins. I always love sequins. And then a couple of chipboard pieces, as you can see, hope, and there's a ribbon as well. And I know the kit was inspired by raising awareness for blood cancer, and I'll put some links to the charities and whatnot when I do my video. But I just wanted to quickly show you what was in the kit, and as you can see, lots of goodies that we're going to be able to use. So if you've not already subscribed to my channel, check back soon to have a look what I do with this. Probably be a nice little layout, I would imagine, in my 8x8 book, but I'm sure I'll get a couple of spreads out of all of this.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you've got any comments about this video, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. That way YouTube knows to recommend similar ones for you. And finally, if you'd like to see more from me, and I hope so, please subscribe by clicking the link below. I post new content every weekend.